don't have to hide. Honest, no one lie. Baby, just don't be shy.
Alright, welcome to the Machines of the Futures. I'm going to explain excuse me I want to explain my bold strategy for the new automated software that's going to be coming out. Let me switch this to ES Futures. For October 1st, we're going to get basically, you could say a new robot. Coming out. L2Azimuth. It's Futures Analytica. It's level 2 trading software that you could trade futures with. So the ES, you could trade gold, anything with level 2 data. Let me switch the song really quick. So gold, what do we got out? Australian dollar futures, you could trade with this. Basically anything with level 2 data. So my strategy, if we go back to ES futures, imagine trading Bitcoin futures with automated software. That'd be kind of wild. Alright, let's go back to ES. Alright, excuse me. So, ES. This is the 1 hour chart. We like to trade on the 15 range chart. So, getting into my strategy, basically, we're going to be talking about level 2 spoofing. Let's see, can you see this? You can't see that? Shit. Alright, hold on. Let me get the... Come on, work. I don't know why this is not working. Okay, so iceberg orders. We're going to be trading iceberg orders. We're going to be looking for inefficiencies in the markets. So my strategy would be Looking at support and resistance. Breaks at support and resistance. What else do we have? You could also use, if you want, you could use Fibonacci, but I think those with experience would prefer using just their own custom trend lines. So this is a good example. We got a candle being drawn underneath support. Looks like it's, so that's actually a perfect example. Let's zoom in really quick. So we have volume over here at 57.99. Price is gonna look for basically buyers, right? It's gonna keep moving until it finds buyers. So like over here, this could be what's considered an iceberg. We could have an iceberg order over here full of buy stops or limit orders. And then this kind of explains a little bit more. Iceberg orders on both bid and ask. They're battling for control around the support and resistance level 59.70. So we got one over here and one over here. Point is liquidity. They're looking for areas of liquidity. So I would probably, now I would, disclaimer, create your own strategy. Past performance is not indicative of future results. So my strategy, I would arm it here for break, support to turn into resistance. I will look for inefficiencies over here. So I will probably go short with the strategy. Put my stop above this high, and then obviously on NinjaTrader this is going to be automatic, but you could always change it. You could always change your stop loss and take profit. I will put my stop loss above the recent high, and then I will go target liquidity. So liquidity would be at 5,800. Well, that's pretty obvious. And then I would wait for the software to automatically fill me in because it's scanning level 2. It's looking for those market inefficiencies to get us into a trade. Okay, what about a long? Well, we don't have to look far. We got two breaks. Two really good examples of break of resistance. I would turn on the software. Looks like we got an influx of buyers here. I'm pretty sure I would have probably bought. If not here, then over here. Then I would just target liquidity, because this liquidity came from these candles over here. 12.11, 12.10. So I would enter, or the software will automatically enter, because you could choose either short or long. I would enter, probably set it to long, hopefully get a long entry, back to liquidity, back to this, back to 5,800. So obviously that's a psychological number, and it's where liquidity is at. The second entrance I see, if I would set the software up for longs, would be over here. Uh, 54. Sorry, 57.94. I'll put my stop loss just below the recent low, and then I would just target liquidity. So that would have been another break of resistance. Resistance turned into support. I would get the software to do only buys, right? I think that would be a good idea using the strategy. Also, we have a trend going, so that's also in our favor as well. So it would have been break of resistance. Resistance turned into support. So I would turn on the automatic software. Then hopefully price would move back to liquidity, 5,800. It's a nice, another 10-point winner. So I think these are pretty perfect, really, really good examples of my strategy. Remember, create your own strategy, right? We could learn from each other. Well, these are really good examples from my strategy of what I'm planning to do with the new Level 2 trading software coming out October 1st. This is my strategy. I'm sure there's going to be countless other strategies out there, so don't just look at my strategy, look at other people's strategies and see how they're doing. All right, so get a sense of what other people are doing with the software, because there's going to be a lot of interest. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of posts about how people are using level 2 trading, level 2 data for level 2 trading, basically with this new software that's coming out, with this robot that's coming out. So yeah, that pretty much explains my strategy in a nutshell. I'm going to be looking for liquidities. I'm going to be turning it on near support and resistance and just letting it find liquidity and take trades on its own. That's pretty much what it is in a nutshell. Alright guys, that's all I got for you. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.